Hello creators, in this After Effects tutorial, we will learn how to create this dark cinematic smoke logo reveal. So without any wait, let's jump into After Effects and see how to create this logo reveal. Add the logo to the timeline. Scale the logo and pre-compose it. Select Move All Attribute into New Composition. Add Fill to Logo Composition. Set Fill Color to Black. Create Duplicate of Logo Composition. For Duplicate Composition, remove Fill. Add Matte Choker. Set Geometric Softness to 5. Choke 1 to 90. Iteration to 2. Select both composition, pre-compose them. Name it as Matte. Add the map media to the timeline. Scale it to 35%. Add Motion Tile. Select Mirror Edges. Increase output width and height to fill the screen. For Map, add Turbulent Displace. Pre-compose it. Name it Reflection. Add Logo Composition to Timeline. For Reflection, change Track Matte to Alpha Matte Logo. For Reflection, add CC Glass. In Surface, set Bump Map to Matte. Set Softness to 15. Height to 15. Set Displacement to -100. In Light, set Light Type to Point Light. Add CC Blobalize. In Blobbiness, set Blob Layer to Matte. Set Property to Alpha. Set Softness to 2. Set Cutaway to 1. Now add Texture Media to the timeline. Scale it to 50%. Add Logo Composition to the timeline. For Texture, change Luma Matte to Logo. For Texture Change Mode to Add. Adjust Texture Opacity to near about 40%. Select all compositions, pre-compose them. Name it Metal Logo. Add Smoke Media to the timeline. For Metal Logo, change Track Matte to Luma Matte Smoke Logo. Select both layers, pre-compose them. Name it Smoke Logo. Add Background Media to timeline. Place it below. Add Particle Media to timeline. Change Mode to Add. Now add Flare Media to timeline. Change Mode to Add. Now adjust the position of light. I will use this light as Eye of Bat. Adjust the scale if needed. Create duplicate of flare for other eye. Adjust the position. Select both layer, pre-compose it. Name it Flare. Change Mode to Add. Set Opacity to 50%. Now add Wiggle Expression to Opacity. Wiggle 10, 100. You can see the preview. Change Smoke Logo and Flare to 3D. Create New Camera. Create Null Object. Change Null to 3D. Parent Camera to Null. For Null, create End Keyframe for Position. Now at Start, adjust the Z position. Create New Adjustment Layer. Add Sharpen. Set Amount to 15. Add Unsharp Mask. Set Amount to 60. Radius to 2. Add Photo Filter. Set Density to 15%. Now add Noise. Set Amount of Noise to 5%. Add Brightness and Contrast. Set Brightness to -25. Set Contrast to 35. Create another adjustment layer. Add Curves. Adjust the curves as shown. Create New Solid. Let's create opacity keyframes at start. At 1 second, set it to 0%. At 4 seconds, create keyframe for opacity. At end, set opacity to 100%. Now create New Solid. This will be our frame. Double-click on Rectangle tool to create mask. For mask, set path. Set unit to percent of source. Set top to 10%. Bottom to 90%. Select invert. Now let's see the complete preview. Perfect. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. This is how you can create a dark, cinematic smoke logo reveal in After Effects. This complete After Effects template is also available on my web store. Check out the link in the description.